I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your phone number on ETRADE, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the ETRADE app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings option in the main menu. This is usually located in the top right corner. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings, look for a section labeled personal information or contact information. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find the field for your phone number and enter the new number you wish to use. Make sure to double check for any typos. Note, if you accidentally enter a wrong digit, you might not receive important alerts or notifications. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the ETRADE.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. And that's it. You've successfully updated your phone number on ETRADE. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance.